Portia here with Stitch Story, and today I want to share with you all this designer that I found on Instagram, and I want to show you her approach to the coronavirus. Now, this is something that is very serious, and we all know that we should not take it lightly whatsoever. But I want to show you how this particular designer makes the best out of a tough situation. So let's just take a look. So on Instagram, she is known as Know Me Official. And so I'm sitting there on my phone, I'm just scrolling through, and immediately the face mask catches my attention because of what's going on in the world. And the way she chose to display it, very stylish, right? And if we take a look, her caption says, "Let's make these crochet mask a thing. And it's for aesthetic purposes." So of course we know this isn't the mask that you would receive from a hospital or anything like that. This is just literally taking a look at a situation and saying, hey, let's go ahead and make the best of it. Even taking a look at the responses here, one of them says, "Yes, please, and jewel that thing up and have a photo shoot." So I can totally see people getting into this and saying, you know what? After I've done what I can, I still have to go to work. I still have to go to the grocery store, but I'm going to be fashionable as I do it. Let's see, what else do we have here? Is there going to be a pattern that this wouldn't filter out any actual contamination? However, it will look super cute over my regular mask. So again, this is people just thinking and saying, hey, this is what's going on right now, but I'm going to make the best of it. So let's see. My mom laughed at me because I made me and my sister some too. So people are already making these. So she's not the first, but this is definitely a post that's getting a lot of attention right now. And here we go. I'm about to make me one right now. So people are totally liking this. So again, this isn't going to stop anything, but at the same time, it's going to allow you to look good while being safe. Like the one person said, I can wear this atop my regular mask. I can be fashionable with it, and I'm not going to let this hold me back. I'm going to continue to go forth and do what it is that I need to do. So, Know Me Official, I'm not mad at you. So guys, if you got any questions, concerns, let me know. Drop them right below in the comment section. I will certainly reply. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Portia's Stitch Story. Until next time, peace.